This is the pocket equivalent of carrying a steel brick with a razor attached. Lock mechanism is going to be the TriAd lock, which is a reinforced back lock designed for extreme pressure. And when I say extreme pressure, I mean it. The Formax has held up to 600 pounds of pressure in testing. Free hanging weight, 600 pounds, and this locking mechanism did not fail, and it also did not impact its usability. It's extremely heavy duty and robust as a locking mechanism. This hole here in the handle, per Andrew Demko, who's the designer of many of their knives and also the TriAd locking mechanism, which this has on it, we'll get into that in a little bit, has stated that the original prototype had a hole here for a pin that you could insert. And when Lynn Thompson would take this knife, when he would take the prototype on African safari, it was to prevent him from cutting his hand. This steel in this knife supports the Scout's intended role, which is a knife meant to take real-world punishment, real-world usage, and maybe even some abuse when it has to. It excels at most outdoor tasks: heavy rope and strap cutting, carving, wood processing, camping, and truck carry, hard use work environments. This is for a person who wants a folder that behaves like a fixed blade in disguise. In closing, the Cold Seal Formax Scout is a monster in the best way possible. It's tough, dependable, overbuilt, and ready for the kind of abuse that folds lesser folders in half.